Hey, welcome back to Four Low Rocks, and thanks for watching. You might have already seen my feature video on the San Diego Jeep Club's open run of the Mica Gem Mine Trail. If not, you'll see a link above and in the comments below. Feel free to pause this video, go watch that one, then come back. Don't worry, we'll wait. We'll see you in a few. Okay, now that you're back, or maybe if you just pressed on with this video. On that day, we had far too many Jeeps to show all in one feature video, so in this episode, each and every Jeep in attendance, except mine and Kim's JL's, are featured descending the waterfall obstacle. For many new Jeeps in the group, this was their first true challenge. This is the raw, unedited video of each one completing the challenge, so let's get right to it.
Yeah, of course.
Get some flex on here.
Oh yeah. Oh, we got a Jeep wave in the back. All right, looking good. Looking good. Hold up. Drop. Airborne. Woo!
Nice. Good job, guys.
Airborne on the rear end there.
Okay, let's twist him up too.
Yeah.
There you go. Perfect. Gonna drop. Nice line.
Looks good.
Straight to me. Like it.
Nice flex.
Yep. Very nice. Come on down. There you go. You're clear.
That was good.
Clear, Matt. Nice. So shall we in the passenger seat? Oh my God. Yep.
This is a manual. I think.
There you go. Nice.
Maybe not.
Nice fluid movement. There you go. Good job.
Looking
Very
good.
nice. Good lineup.
Those are YJ leaf springs, huh?
Yep, there you go. Perfect. Yep. You're all right. Nice and easy. Nice. There you go. Easy. Easy. Perfect. Nice job. Yep. Give me a little driver. There you go. Yep. Little passenger. There you go. Perfect. Perfect.
Yeah.
Very nice.
Angry eyes.
You're welcome. You're coming down the hard way. Oh, it's Melanie.
Ooh,
There you go.
slow break.
You're doing good.
Yep.
Nice. Come on, Melanie. There you go. Hold that line straight to me. Yeah.
Looks good.
Look at that flex.
Hey, all right.
Very nice. And
Hi, Patty.
you're clear. Wow, I got another student. Nice.
All
Good
right.
job.
New Jeeper soon to be.
Come on, Bling.
Oh, this thing will walk right through it.
Coming down. There you go, Scott. Give me a little passenger. There you go. Hold that line. Come straight to me.
Nice flex. Look at that.
There you go.
Wow. Cool.
Nice.
Very nice.
You're clear. Good job. There you go. Perfect. Perfect. Yep. Give me a little driver. There you go. Yep. Come back passenger. Good. Straight to me. Straight. Nice. Good. Straight to me. You're all right.
Ooh. Step.
That's okay. Come on. I got you. Be a little passenger. Good job. Straight to me.
There you go.
Give me some driver.
Looking good.
Hold that line straight, and you're clear. Good job, guys. Oh yeah, you're good. Looks even solid. Release the passenger. There you go. Hold that line. That's good. Take as much time as you need. Give me a little driver. Good. That's where I want you, right there. Come on. Just watch him. Yep, I got you. Some passengers. There you go.
Looking really good.
Easy, you're doing good.
Perfect. Good line.
Come straight to me now. There you go.
Good line.
Yep.
No rock rails.
Yep. Give me a little driver. Perfect. Come on.
Looking good.
I got
Hey,
you.
buddy. How you doing? Hi, bud. How you doing? Yeah.
Straight to me.
You're okay. You're doing good. You're doing good. Good boy.
Give me some passenger. There you go. Driver. There you go. Perfect. You're gonna drop. You're good. You're fine. You're good. Those little noises are supposed to happen. Perfect. You're gonna drop. Nice. Very nice. Hold that line. Come straight to me. Robert is out of his seat. I don't know if he's got a handle or not. Alex is driving. Hey, I like your wheels. Very nice.
Flexi part.
Okay. There you go.
He wants to go.
We'll try it. Hold that line right there. There, come straight to me. Easy. Come on. Nope, that way. Straight to me. You're gonna come up in the back. Yeah.
Okay.
Gonna flex her out a little bit. Good job. Yep.
Looking good.
Nice and slow.
All right.
There,
Ah,
Jeep
slow.
wave. Yeah,
There we go.
nice.
Jeep wave. Looks really good.
First time, sorry.
That's cool. That's cool.
Very nice. Yep. Yep. Hold that line. Doing good. There. Come back this way. There you go. Give me more driver. Yep.
Looks good.
Nice. You're clear. Very good. Very good. No, I trust you. Nice. Good line. Good line. Perfect.
Looks good.
Thank you. Good spotting. Very nice. Good job.
Yep.
There you go.
So you got a Mopar on that?
Nothing yet.
Oh, it's stock?
Yeah.
I thought he had a kit on it.
No.
You're gonna come down.
See how the stock suspension flexes.
It's gonna come down. It's gonna come down.
Coming down. Right to me, Dirk. Hey, hold that line straight to me.
Yeah, perfect.
You're gonna flex a little bit here. You might rub a fender.
No, he's good. Maybe a rock rail. No, maybe a rock rail.
You're
Well,
good.
Good. You're good. Really good. Wow.
Come straight to me.
Slow. You're coming down.
Nice.
Good.
Good
Nice.
job. You're good.
Nice. Got some airborne.
Good job, Dirk. Woo! That was pretty impressive. I don't think you need a lift.
No, I don't think so.
No. Perfect. Come back, passenger. Give me some passenger. Good. Good. You're gonna drop. Nice. Give me some driver. There you go, driver. There you go. Hold that line, driver. There you go. Good job.
Looking really good. Good.
You're good. There you go. Hold that line. Come straight to me.
You gonna drop? Nice line.
Yep. Nice. Come straight. Perfect. You got it? Perfect. Very nice, guys. You hit it up way too easy. All flaked out. That's what the Jeep does. There you go.
Yeah, there you go.
Yeah.
Now you're gonna come down.
Nice.
There you go.
Okay, come straight to me. There you go. Hold that line. Don't turn the wheel.
You come down. Come down. There you go.
Yeah.
Nice.
You guys. Very well. Very well done.
Looking good.
You're welcome.
Slow.
There you go.
You're gonna come down.
Good job. Good job. Yes. Perfect. Good job.
He must have found some mud.
Okay, good. Hold that line. Don't turn your wheel yet. Good. Yeah. There you go. I like it.
Set to 2.0, I think. Sounds like it.
There you go.
Ah, you
Yeah.
made it. Nice. Very nice.
Very
You're gonna
nice.
come down. You're gonna come down. There you go.
Got it.
There you go.
Got it. Good job.
Very nice.
Nice and easy.
Yep. Yep.
Good job, you guys. Very nice. What do we got?
Yeah, yeah, he does. He does.
There you go. You're gonna drop.
Gonna come down.
Easy.
There you go.
Yeah. Getting all flexed up here. Hold that line. Come straight to me. There There you go, straight to me.
Looks cool.
You're flexing. You're flexing.
Jeep wave!
Nice. Great job,
Pretty great to have your Jeep right there, I'll tell you that.
Yeah, I know.
Good job. You're welcome. XJ Power. Yep.
Okay, you're gonna drop.
You're gonna drop. Easy.
There you go.
Yeah, come straight to me. Back.
Nice.
Nice.
Nice. Jeep wave.
Perfect.
Looks good.
Very nice.
Very good.
Guys. Just showed a lot of Wranglers. What's that? Yep. Yep. Hold that line. Come straight to me. You're doing good.
Gonna drop.
Got lots of
There we
flex
go.
going. Nice. Nice.
Nice.
Come back to passenger. There you go.
Not yet, but it's going
Come
to.
on.
Right here.
Wow.
Yeah, Jeep wave. There we go.
Nice.
Yeah.
Good.
Yeah, it did. About 3 inches.
I gotta fix that. You waved it. Good job. Okay, give me some passenger. There you go. There you go. Hold that line. Come straight to me.
Slow.
Nice and easy. Give me some driver. There you go. There you go. Little passenger. Little bit. There you
Slow.
go. Straight. You did awesome. Great job.
Very nice. Didn't even
Wow.
scrape.
Good job. There you go. Come back that way. Passenger. There you go. Straight to me.
It'll drop.
Easy.
There you go.
There you go. Your rear's going to come up. Easy.
Rear's
Easy.
coming down.
Easy.
There we go. Easy.
One more down and you're clear.
There we go.
Good job. There you go. Yep. You're going to come down in the front. Easy.
Slow. There you go.
Okay.
Nice. 2-door.
Yep.
Coming down in the rear.
Easy, easy. Nice. Good job.
Jeep wave.
Well done.
Got something rattling there.
You're going to come down in the front. Nice. That guy's got a
Now we're gonna flex.
Very nice. Straight to me. Don't turn. Yep.
Oh yeah.
Nice and
Oh
easy.
yeah.
Easy. Jeep wave.
Down in the back.
Hi.
Ah, Jeep wave.
Nice.
Woohoo.
Good job.
Got about a foot.
And you're clear. Good job, you guys.
That's why I love to see.
Drop into the front. Here, watch this thing flex.
Yeah.
Easy, easy, easy.
You gonna get a
Wow,
wave?
dude,
Yeah, nice.
Good job.
Nice.
Thank you.
Very nice.
Made everybody else look really bad.
It's Rob, right?
Yeah. Okay. To me. You're gonna drop
Coming
in the
down.
front. Easy.
Ooh.
Nice and easy. You're okay. Give me some passenger. There you go. Nice. Nice and easy.
Okay, rear's gonna come up and then right down.
Yeah. Easy. We're gonna Jeep wave right here. Keep coming.
There you go. Coming down.
Jeep wave.
Nice. Nice.
Good flex. Good job.
Yeah, little tire rub.
Nice. Coming. Keep coming. You're gonna drop in the front here. Give me a little passenger. There you go. Just a little bit. Nice. Good line. Good line. Comes the passenger. Passenger.
Hard passenger.
There you go. There you go. Straighten out. Come to me.
Looks really good.
Very nice. Great job.
Good line.
Very nice, you guys. Yeah. You're welcome. Straight to me. Yeah. You're going to drop in the front. Easy. Little easy. Give me some passenger. There you go. Look at that flex. Okay, good. Come straight to me.
Okay, coming down in the rear. Jeep
Nice.
wave.
Jeep
Yeah.
Yeah.
Woo.
Nice.
All right.
Good job. Bet you that was fun, huh? Oh, yeah. All right. You're welcome. Passenger, good. Good lineup. You're going to drop in the front. Come back, passenger. Good. Straight to me. Nice.
Looking good.
Coming down. Good job.
Passenger.
Give me a little more passenger. Good. Good. Give me some driver. Straight to me.
Good line.
Straight to me.
Oh, she's
Easy,
passed out.
easy.
She's passed out.
Very nice. Yep, you're gonna come down on the driver's side.
Oh,
Good job.
nice.
One more step down and you'll be clear.
Looks good.
Very nice flex.
There you
Yep,
go.
you're good.
You're good.
You're welcome.
Coming down.
Come down. Easy.
Nice.
Give me a little passenger. Good.
Flexy,
good.
flexy. There we
Come
go.
straight to me. Coming down to the back.
Coming down the back.
There you go. Nice. Good job. Very nice.
Looks good.
It all depends on setup.
Yeah.
Easy. You're going to come
Slow.
down to the front.
Coming down.
Nice and easy. Good job. Nice flex. Hold that line. Come straight to me. Give me a little passenger. There you go. Perfect.
I think
Jeep
this
wave.
gonna
Come
wave.
on.
Gonna wave. Coming down in the back. There we go.
Hey.
Jeep wave.
Oh,
All right.
Good,
Boom.
good. Nice. And one more step and you're clear.
There you go.
Good job. You're welcome.
He wants to flex.
Okay, straight to me. You're gonna come down in the front. Coming down.
Now coming down.
Over here, nice and easy.
There you go.
There you go. Give me a little passenger. Nice.
You got a
Keep
rock
coming.
rail.
Keep coming. Give me some passenger. There you go. Coming down on the front and the back here a little bit. And you're gonna Jeep wave.
Jeep
A
wave.
little bit. Nice. Good job. Very nice.
Coming down.
There you go, Mark. Come straight to me. Look at that flex.
We're gonna get a wave. We're gonna get a wave.
No,
No, no, no.
No wave. Nice.
Hi, friend.
Mwah, mwah.
Oh, there's some more veggies, friend.
Okay, Terry, you're gonna flex out. Straight to me. We're gonna test your suspension right here. We got you.
Look
Coming
at that.
down.
Oh yeah.
Nice and easy.
Coming down.
Nice. Look at that touch.
Yeah, yeah.
Yes. Okay. Give me a little passenger.
Slow as
Nice.
pro.
Keep coming. We're gonna tuck your rear now. Come on. Keep
Oh
coming.
yeah.
I know you like your rear tucked. Come on. Come on. No. Get a picture.
Coming down in the
out.
back.
Wow. Jeep wave.
Jeep wave. Coming down the back.
Coming down. Nice. Good job. Keep coming.
Very nice.
Give me a little passenger, Terry. There you go.
One more step and you're down.
Wow. Excuse us. We'll flex you out. That's good.
Yep, yep.
Come back straight. There you go. Straight to me, sir. Yep. Yep. Gonna come down.
Come
on the
down.
front.
Coming down
Easy.
slow.
Easy, easy.
There we go.
Give me a little passenger. There you go.
Coming down in the rear.
We're gonna Jeep wave.
A little bit.
Nice. Good job. Very nice.
Very
flex
nice.
On that
Look
Jeep.
good. Nice flex.
Uh-oh. Watch me. Come straight to me. Yep. Keep coming.
Her rear's in the air already.
Give me some passenger. There you go. Hold that line. Straight to me. Nice and
Slow,
easy.
slow,
On
slow.
the brakes.
Yep.
On the brakes.
There we go. Nice. Nice touch.
Nice. You're doing good. Doing good. Give me a little driver. Perfect. Perfect. Give me some gas.
Yeah, you're doing all right.
You got this. Hold that line. You're gonna come down a little bit on the back.
Little passenger.
Hold it for another second.
Hard passenger.
Now give me hard passenger.
All the way over.
Hard passenger.
Harder.
There you go.
There you go.
Give me some driver.
All right, coming
Driver.
down. Coming down. Perfect.
Driver. Okay. Straight down. Not even a scrape.
You just made a bunch of Wranglers look like babies play.
Keep coming. Hold that line. Go
Oh,
back
got a rear
passenger.
Jeep wave. Got a Jeep wave.
Go back driver, sorry. There you go.
Looking
Keep
good.
Coming. Keep coming. And you're going to come down, and you are clear of the obstacle. Nicely done.
All right, stock jail.
Yes.
Yep.
The dealer plate.
Yep.
Give me some driver.
Check out the plate on the rear when he comes by, though. He's got the new 2019 requirement.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold driver. There you go. Hold driver a little bit. There you go.
Okay,
Now
slow,
go
slow,
passenger.
slow rear bumper. Slow on that rear bumper. Slow,
Easy,
slow.
easy. Nice. You're fine.
Nice, nice.
Good job. That was very nice flex.
Look good.
Did I scratch anything?
No, you're good. Didn't scratch anything.
Did
You're welcome.
did get the bumper a little bit, but not bad. It's a plastic.
Come straight to me. You're good.
California taking the money out.
Yeah, easy, easy, easy. Give me some driver. Nice. Nice. Come up. Easy.
Slow.
You're all right. Keep coming. Hold that line. Keep holding. Holding. Give me some passenger. Keep rolling forward.
Rear's coming down.
Hard passenger.
There we
Hard.
go. There we go.
Nice. Hold that line. Give me some driver. Come straight to me. Straight to me.
Looking good.
Very nice. One more step down. Go driver. And you're clear. Woo.
Yeah. So he's got those steps, so don't forget there.
Yeah. You may get a scratch or two. Nice. Keep
Yeah.
coming. Keep coming.
Okay. You gonna
Keep
come
coming.
down?
You're going to come down on the front.
Now coming down. Slow, slow,
Easy,
slow.
Easy on the brakes.
On the brakes. Slow.
That's
Yep.
all right. You're
Looking
on your
good.
rail.
Looking good.
You're on your rail. Nice.
Nice.
You're doing good.
Very nice.
Come give me some passenger.
Very
Give me a little
nice.
Passenger.
You're doing good.
There you go. There you go. Okay, straight to me, Alejandro. There you go. Perfect. Come on.
Okay, back's coming down. Slow, slow,
Keep
slow. There we go. Nice.
Nice. Keep coming. Keep coming. Very well done.
Nice job.
Nice. Awesome.
That was cool.
Good job, you guys. Need a little driver? Good. Good. Hold that line.
Oh, it's beautiful, isn't it?
Come
Reminds
straight
me
to
of my
now
high
and give me
school
some
days.
driver. Yep. Yeah. Keep
Yeah.
coming.
That's what my cousin had.
Hold that line.
Not as
Get a
nice as
little
that, though.
passenger. Good. Good. Come back, driver. Straight to me. Not even a scrape. You're good.
Looking really good.
Okay, thanks a lot.
Beautiful.
That was easy with your help.
He's all lifted.
Yeah.
What high school did you study
Alhambra High in Phoenix.
Okay, straight to me. Easy. Nice and easy. Come on. Give me a little passenger. There you go. Straight to me. Yes, that definitely helps. You know what? Let's see. Let's have you. Hang on a second. Okay, come forward. Okay, stop. See if you can back up. Good. Give me
Okay.
hard pass or driver. Sorry. There you go. Keep coming. Roll right through it. Let's back up again. There you go. Hold that line. Hold that line. Give me some passenger. There
Coming
you
down.
go. Right
Ooh.
off the roof. Good job. Extra power right there. Nice. Okay.
He's worth a flexi.
Yep, straight to me. Good job. Hold that line. Yeah. Good
Gonna
line,
drop.
good line.
There you go.
There you go. Perfect. And you're clear.
And no close too.
No, nothing.
Looking good.
Yep, keep coming. Give me some driver. There you go. Full driver. There you go. Keep coming. More passenger. Perfect. And you're clear. Nice. Give me some driver. Perfect. Hold that line. I get them up high to begin with. They come right through naturally.
Yeah,
Keep
they do.
coming
Yep,
in.
yep.
Give me some passenger. There you go. You're gonna drop. Hey, Jeep wave. Keep coming.
The
Hold
rear
that line.
was,
That's
yeah.
a good line.
The rear was.
Yeah, you're doing good.
I know.
Good. Don't start turning yet. Keep coming. I got you.
You're in front of my car.
I know. You're good. It's not a car. It's a Jeep.
Looking good.
Good.
Coming down.
There you go. Perfect line. You did great. You're another step down, and you're going to be clear.
Right.
One more step. Keep going.
Right here. Here we go.
Good job.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Hold that line, Joey.
Coming down.
Coming down in front. Give me some passenger. There you go. Straight to me. You're gonna tuck your back. Oh yeah.
Nice flex. Looks good.
Fasten. I think I've got. Is that it, Jeff?
That's it.
I've got one more to get through. We're done.
Who wants to go the hard line?
Okay.
Lights off. Lights off.
Got plenty of room.
We have plenty of room, Casson. Hang on. That's okay, Elizabeth. Come on.
Yeah, you're looking good.
There you go. Hold that line. Hold that line. You're gonna drop in the driver's side. Now give me some driver as you come down.
Driver.
There you go. Keep turning driver.
Now you're coming down,
Nice.
passengers.
That's
Let it
good.
flex.
Come
Look at
straight
that.
to me, Elizabeth. You're gonna
Nice.
come down on passenger. Good. Good.
Good.
Yeah, nicely done. Way better than Jeff.
Coming down in the rear.
Way better than Jeff.
Hey.
Hey, I'm just
Jeep wave.
Just call it as I see it. And she's way better looking than you are.
I agree with
Keep coming, Elizabeth.
Look good.
Good job, ladies.
Okay, Casson, counter is done off the obstacle. We are ready to roll. Stop right there, Elizabeth.
I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and feel free to leave a comment below. And if you haven't already done so, please click that subscribe button, as it means a lot to me and it helps to support the channel. Lastly, please follow 4 Low Rocks on Facebook, Instagram, and Twitter. Until next time, happy wheeling.